Hello everyone, this is quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use Hinge Mate like this. Go to Mate, go to Mechanical Mate, click Hinge Mate. Now you have two parameters, concentric parameter and coincident parameter. For concentric parameter, click this face and this face. For coincident parameter, click this face and this face. See? Okay. See? See? But the angular don't have a limit movement. Don't be confused. Just doing like this. Go to Hinge Mate again. Check specify angle limits. Now you have a parameter. Click this face and this face. See? This parameter for angle parameter, this for maximum value, and this for minimum value. For angular parameter, insert 30. See? But in this case, I use 0 degree. For maximum parameter, max value is 180 degree. And for minimum, make minus 30 degree and click OK. See, the angular movement have a limit. See? See? Now you know how to use Hinge Mate. That is quick tips. See ya!